Friends, when I used to teach the people driving, a lot of friends ask me why we need to turn around to check blind spot when we can see everything, side mirrors and middle mirrors. Well, the reason is there is something hiding behind you cannot see from the mirror side, but only you can see it from blind spot. All right, guys, today we're going to talk about blind spot. You know what? My instructor, when I taking the lesson to pass the test in the theory, my instructor will tell me to turn around, to check the blind spot. And really, I don't know where exactly the blind spot was. So I am always asking him, where's the blind spot? And he was angry and he said, I'm very tired to teach you where the blind spot. So I learned from that time, about the blind spot. Okay, guys, checking the blind spot, not just necessary for a road test. It is actually very crucial when you are driving on the road. So you must check the blind spot when you are overtaking or changing the line for safety driving, of course. Right, so many learners, they are asking what's the blind spot. Okay, you ask that, it's a great question actually. Blind spot, the area around your car that you cannot see through the mirrors. Okay, that is mean physically look over your shoulder and see what is crazy stuff going there. All right, that is the blind spot. The blind spot where the mirror doesn't cover. If you go too much over there, okay, over there, that side covered by side mirror, okay. So you imagine you are driving on the road like a 70 or 80 and you are turning too much. You are turning too much and you stay long time. Okay. And the car in front of you, what's going to happen? You know what is going to happen? It will be a dangerous, right? And it will be a terrible, maybe accident will happen. All right, guys, so you imagine you're sitting, this is your car sitting, okay? Car sitting, all right? And you imagine you have a clock around you, will be here 12 o'clock, and behind it will be 6 o'clock, here 12 o'clock, and there 6 o'clock, all right? And your left side it will be 9 o'clock, and the back side, back your shoulder, it will be 8 o'clock. So the blind spot is there, 8 o'clock, all right? And also here it will be 4 o'clock. So 4 o'clock, the blind spot on this side, all right? 3 o'clock on your right, and the back side it will be 4 o'clock. So the blind spot is there, all right? So this is what the simple way for you to remember a blind spot with the blind spot. Okay, exactly. Okay, so let's write this one. 12 o'clock it will be here, okay, and here 9 o'clock, and here it will be 3 o'clock, and there 4 o'clock. All right, and behind 6 o'clock.